Insertion sorting. Before going to sorting algorithm, I want to clear that what is sorting. Sorting is a process of arranging the items systematically or else ordering, or in another word arranging a sequential order by some criterion. Okay, or else grouping of an elements. Likewise we have to say in a particular order or by its size, okay, or according to its type. Insertion sorting is an sorting algorithm where the sorting array is built having the item at one time. The array elements are compared with each other sequentially and then arranged simultaneously in some particular order. The analog can be understood from the style where we arrange a deck of cards. Okay, then in programming, the algorithm that works similar to the way you sort playing a card in your hand. Likewise, the insertion sorting is performed. Let's see, value from the unsorted parts are picked and placed at the correct position in the sorting part. That is the algorithm. Likewise, we have to sort the element in a particular position or in the correct position. Insertion sorting is a simple algorithm that builds the final sorting array one item at a time. It is more efficient on large list than more advanced algorithm such as quick sort, heap sort or merge sort. And coming to the working part of the insertion sort, where the array is sorted by taking one element at a time. The principle behind the insertion sort is to take one element, iterate through the sorted array and find its correct position in the sorted array. Insertion sorting works in a similar manner as we arrange a deck of cards. I have to say again, the principle behind the insertion sort is to take one element and iterate through the sorted array, find its correct position in the sorted array, and after it will place the array in a correct position. Likewise, this algorithm is working. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works similar to the way you sorting a play card in your hand. This is already I think this is already I will told. Okay, and algorithm of an insertion sorting is iterate from the array of first element to the n element over the array. By comparing the current element key, it will insert the element. If the element is greater than the comparing element, means it will swap. Okay, let's see this example. 4, 3, 2, 10, 12, 1, 5 and 6. These are the array that it is given. First it will compare with the first element with second element. 4 is greater than 3. So it will swap that element 3 to the first position and 4 to the second position. Likewise, it will compare the next 2 and the second and third position, 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. Then it will check with the first element also. 3 is greater than 2. So it will swap the second element to the position of the first, and it will swap after swapping 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6 are there. Okay, then it compared the fourth element 10. 10 is greater than 4. Okay, it will check with the next element which is nearest to that element. 10 is less than 12, so the position is correct. So it will simply skip that position and check with the next element. 12 is greater than 1, likewise it will compare with the previous element also. Like previous element also of 1 3, 1 is less than 3, 2, 4, 5. So it will swap the 1 to the first position and it will check the next element 5. Likewise it will swapping and finally we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 and 12. And another example 12, 5, 13, 12, 11, 13, 5, 6. Let us look for I equal to 1. The second element of the array to the fourth element of an array. The loop is work. I equal to 1 means since 11 is smaller than 12, move 12 and insert 11 before 12. 11, 12, 13, 5, 6 after inserting the 11 before 12. The array will be look like this, like 11, 12, 13, 5 and comma 6. Then the I will be incremented, I equal to 2. 13 will remain at its position as all the elements in the array of I minus 1 are smaller than the 13. Okay. So the 13 will remain in the same position because it already in the correct position. Then the I will be incremented, 5 will move to the beginning and all other elements from 11 to 13 will move one position ahead of their current position. Because 5 is lesser than the 11, 12, 13. So it will be swapped and move and inserted in the correct position. Then I will be incremented to 4. 6 will be moved to the position after 5 because 11 to 13 the 6 comparison will be less than 11 to 13. So the rest will be swapped. Then the final array will be 5, 6, 11, 12 and 13. Likewise it will works. This is one program for the insertion sorting. For that I will be indicates the, likewise here I will say second element of an array to the fourth element of an array. I will be incremented to first to the final element. It will compare and after that it will incremented the I value. Then it will be point and it will inserted in the correct position. The time complexity for this program is O(n) power 2. Actual space is O1. Okay. Uses of an insertion sorting. Insertion sorting is used when number of element is small. It can also be useful when input array is almost sorted. Only few elements are misplaced in complete big array. Let's see what is binary sorting. We can use the binary sorting to reduce the number of comparison in normal insertion sort. Binary insertion sort uses binary search to find the proper location to insert the selected item at each iteration. Okay, that's all about insertion sort. Thank you.